Yama phone akwaba embra kwesi aboaje live so. Ene ye ne Nana Opoku Kwatin Ebony Rains the late Ebony ne papa na eba bedin komo ewo ye kasa video yi so. Nana mpacho mo akwaba.
Ejoso.
Me pacho no apomboko de.
Ami adu ye hoye.
Okay. Nana we de ube pija voice kakra e de amame. Yabase ne ubedin komo kakra. Ensem ba ko mienu bi wo ha aja esese yenso yeti edifi wanum. Nana Ebony film I'm say in fear kakra ni since then how saying I think near Mattie things circle.
Oh okay. Yeah, Nana him film on Femiansa.
Femiansa.
Femiansa yeah. Oh 2018 and I was 2021.
Okay.
So 3 years back. It hasn't been easy and yeah, but it goes so yeah from there. Now we pray say time be healing, you wound all that we are just crying out.
Okay. All right. So free moon name say at least every the birthday be it is a we jollof party be and all that. And also my name's Afi we
I mean I do my free me makase Afi bia no meye.
Okay.
Na meye na me dey so me ru na ni monya.
Okay.
So long as I live, sometimes I'm meeting kwa me there. Inti Afi we COVID times now bad, but still man ye fefe so the baba fi ama ye di pepe. As always, ye try the cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say if I fear be able to so be
yet in
let me see the motivation behind that. They say yeah.
Well, I've said this severally. Let me repeat it this time around too. Nana Emmanuel Sonko, you will agree with me. My Sonko just say Ghana had a contribution to Ghana music industry was splendid. The style of approach to music, the way she carried herself. If you watch her interviews, you will just get marveled. And Sanema way in Mama Ruan, yes, from Pukra. Oh, we are a year or nine, actually, say indeed. Nama Ruan, yes, from Pukra. And I can't in Aboma. Now, yes, okay, I read the BB by because first time in Ghana history, I am musical or but the ultimate prize, which is the BGMA
Artist of the Year.
Yeah. And there you can see it. Yeah. And I bit say, send the power team by as young as she was, 20 years, 20 years, I could be. Now, what you yes, I never way. It was me age in my. No, he has said, you be protecting a legacy. Near Shen and Monyam, because indeed she's left a huge legacy for myself and family. We are so proud of. Into the only way we could reciprocate his gesture. So, and say, Afibiano, a best celebrated time I do one because indeed, time I do 1 year so special, 16th February. Okay. That is the motivation if you ask me. I cried about your name, I am Munyamse, Mamme, Eja, Mabusia. Okay. There has been always a payback time. I always say to people, there be a payback warning, and this is a payback. So every year, be a none of your paper jollof rice. Okay. And she cooked that best. Okay. No, yes, no beer, no beer, no matter the jollof. Only yes, no, I must be honest. Into Saturday, and I mean, for us every year, be a men who are jollof, men employ cooks, matrons, what have you, caterers, to come over to cook this delicious meal. Now, I'm proud of what bet me. It doesn't matter. Bet me, Abana. Yanom yedidi na yabo nwum na yedi asane akai na na ye twa the cake, the birthday cake anyway.
All right, it is a nipa ne dose so am nim obi aba onya bidi
aya na me project 600-700 people and sadly I've never exceeded that. To be no ba me fear on that ayina occasion bi sana Oh yes, once you come over, once you have the opportunity to enter, obviously you'll be served.
Okay, all right. To continue Nana Hima legacy, we are sure say nothing now they born it to the world record. And so by sure. And how is it going? Eko saying
born it to the world record is doing well anyway. I must admit last year wasn't successful.
Okay. That's 2019.
Yeah, 2019, 2020.
2020, yeah, 2020, yeah.
Wasn't a successful year at all, if you ask me, concerning my label. Why? Because COVID time, now my plans are never be me as at that time. But me go bush holiday, now me go vacation, I go rest a career, and I am the birthday. Normally, no, if we the birthday is assisting now within February now. Yana me took a crown, my home, and a hectic.
Okay.
And I didn't know I had done same for 10 days. Until me call sadly, and I COVID no, I call me one. I call a size in Dubai.
Yeah.
Until now, borders everywhere was locked down. So therefore I couldn't come at that time. And I would just go and get train from here to another destination, another country or whatever. Until now. I make a car home for close to 4 months.
Okay.
And I'm by as a lockdown near that activity is too slow as it stands now. Honestly, I must admit last year was never successful. But I wouldn't blame myself too much, even though I didn't up my game. I must admit that. Yes, I didn't up my game. I should have done better than what I did. But a learner is always a learner.
Yeah.
Until we are working hard. And this year, you mark my words. This year is going to be a blast.
Okasa is going to be a blast this year. Then I'll be.
This year, I'm releasing new serious ones. I had them and a paper time. Every blessed month, I promise to release a song, a good one like that.
Songs from Ebony, and I say songs from some of the artists on my wall label. So and I say
yes, Nana Hima will be more may release later on.
Okay.
But for now, no, me label no artists be more also no.
Okay.
And you ye release it.
Okay.
But maybe they come 20th when be also be releasing you.
Okay.
Who knows the next 20th no?
They
be releasing Nana Hima because she has it with me. Or be more they be releasing.
Okay. So come 20th. But when we now will release it come 20th.
Come 20th year me newly signed artist. Summer Rains.
Summer Rains.
Yes.
Okay.
He sings so well anyway.
All right. Oyebema. Okay. What's up with Kim Morin? I mean, Yatin Sembebre.
Yeah.
Samakosu Bebre. See, no current state, no only Kim Morin. It is saying.
Someone more here, no. Well, what do I even have to say? Said a motia, sir. Many in Temunye and yet fair. I must admit that.
Okay.
Yes, many in Temungo.
Okay.
Yeah, many in Temungo.
After say be our call radio, so I'll cook me pronouncement.
But can the honest which were all lies. I must admit that.
Oh, Nina Bibia Bekan.
Oh, your kind of crew man, 7 man, but man, it's on fear. Apart from that,
your kind be
I don't think so. I don't think so. And a few things. I wouldn't say all that she said. A few of them were just true.
Okay.
But bigger chunk, a huge chunk of it, were all lies. Yeah.
I see. Okay. Until you heard him say, ebia no ne busuafo na se mpanifo bi ba be hu na bia matoto ne ma akosi san na obia ma mwanim.
I think about 4 or 5 days back, and there was a gentleman, I don't know anyway. His voice says it also a Bema.
Okay.
Now he was saying, "No fascinating around."
Okay.
Now he intends to come over with her to see me, but I'm in crying. I was out of a class at that time.
Okay.
And well, I don't know what is next, but I'm in crying. So far, this is the case.
Okay. Nti se ekobane se ne wo fast ne wo fa no e ba na mo be hu na o ka still montoa ejuma no so I mean o se one ne wo contract.
Many no contract.
Yes, nti wo betoa so ana se you are willing say obema na call.
Well, I don't know as it stands now, but let me be honest with you. Young man. Ran ho. Okasa bebre. Na minim how she would feel to be working with me. I don't know yet. I must be honest. I don't know yet. Because my really Kasabebre, okasa bebre enti is she going to get that strength? Is she going to get that guts to say come and work with me? I don't know. There are many more questions than answers, I should think so. But it's only time that will tell. But as it stands now there, well, I don't know, minimally, but I don't think that she will have that strength, that power to come over and say, da, and I say, Papa, because the contract is not dead, I would still want to work with you. I don't think she would have that guts. No.
Okay. Say Kobane say or per se or walking out of the contract. Then what will it take?
A contract in never know a contract until she would know better than I do. A contract, maybe our contract. It's a contract, not a full contract.
Yeah.
Until everything is intact in the contract. Until she knows what it entails.
I see. Okay. Well, you need to poku kwatin ebony papa and you need to come. Kwesi Aboagye live soon. Daddy, my main son bisao after 3 years afei na akwakoba ne se abrantia na wo twika de oba ebony ne others Frankie Curry ne Lance Corporal no so ekohwe ho no after 3 years ne remand no se onkodam na yensan on sambra court bi me pese me jo reaction about what ana
Mate
anti then I will come
from me hui but Mate from the papers.
Yeah.
And if indeed it's true, now it's worth receiving that news. Why? Because like I had said earlier, I said Nana would need justice. Minim DNT or Machi Akwano. Because sadly, I haven't been informed. None of my family members has been informed. And you know, you knew what it is at all.
Okay.
Yes, I must be honest.
Say ne amugina support ne say na ne license no the kokwa or the kokaka no other issues.
The license yes, I pray say the license they should still delve into it because there's much more to do in their investigation. Oh, so investigation now they should do some more. Why? Because me raise the question with my Mitiwa, the former CID boss.
Yeah.
And I was like, Akrano, when you accident, Oblidi, Wamukari Mumoja Pacha, that's what we saw. I don't know if you're free because I'm married my home Moja Bakron. I thought my home is stain of blood or something. And you know, I said, well, go back now. When you say we are pay Utima Pai, Sana, Moja Nihono, Ibisa police, you know, one investigator be, and all he could say is, and I'm saying, the dread, you know, the hair, no, you're so thick. And I was like, wow, you don't mean that anyway. Hair, no, Mama Moja Nama, I don't know about that. And you know, if you say, if they could delve into the case, I don't know how far. Like I'm saying, I don't know. On 24th, I'm told to say here in Babaso, by the Crow. I'm thinking of going, or somebody represents
in career circuit court.
Yeah, I'm thinking of going, and also be begging Mama.
Okay.
Oh, now I'm know exactly what is going on, and I said. Why? He said because you are quite to be after me until I'm say I buy and then
okay.
I should think so. Once I wasn't informed or I wasn't called. Until I buy and then the answer the license 3 years back and he was driving now. I'm not also share contract man. The laws are clear and highly applicable. They are so applicable. So they can apply the law. Because me na me quite bullshit maybe. Na me check. It be a matter of the make when I do airport, I park it there. So that I don't worry anybody. I pick my car and I come. Now my late to fear. It be the speed. We drew Bamenkuma over South Foot Bridge.
Yeah.
Once there is this traffic light before them.
Sure.
Now I saw green. You know I saw green. Until my two me caught me pentem. There was this young man also free this side. NS chemist. That is one. Of course, who are baby. Oh, I had my driver's license intact, insurance, everything. My car condition was perfect, brake and everything was cool. Yet, I was sent to court. I answered questions. Thank God to say, me three shakwa, Abranti and medical born, judge, you know, consider, say, okay, what much more? You find me a boy and reasonable. Me three eye. Judge, I say, Senya, dear, me share, Sakrani, yeah. I will have had a question to answer, a good one like that. Who knows if I can go prison kakra?
Okay.
And so I before I saw green. Green gives me the green light to go. Yeah. But still, until you have this social contract with yourself and Obiana or either pedestrian, whoever, you are a passenger or whatever. And indeed, so what tweet you'll be partisan and I made 2 for. That's an ambulance for 3 good years. He hasn't done that and had the courage to still drive this personality. Not in the choir. Not so, well, I don't know about that. Indeed, Embrano Hormon, Embrano Yanejuma.
Daddy, may I say, okay, Mrani or Mrani Benejuma, but what would be a good news to you? A fast same way, then I would see one who say, yeah, branch and me, just say anybody say Mrani Benejuma, period. That would be the best news I would love to hear. Say Embrano Aye, Juma Pepe. And that is the news. The Pepe na me person. The Pepe the Embrano Chileno. The Pepe the Embrano Chileno. Okay, so it's a you didn't see him fanning prisoner because unko dem kakra. Will you be happy? Embrano Masakwana. Why wouldn't I? The Embrano can be what it explains. I will appreciate that. Once now, Embrano Achinono. Embrano, the Embrano can be man not have any option. No objection. Nothing. But welcome that. Okay. Before we ever cause to see a very man, no. Minim sena what disa abranti na chika krase opese emrane ye adwuma se ne open ya. What pussy kakra say emrane ye. I don't know whether you don't have any idea. Mapushi. Okay. And I gave my word, I said we will do everything within our ability, capability, capacity, what have you, to see someone in the court someday. Okay. Okay. But the bottom line is the boy is in the dark. Yeah, that's the bottom line. So this comes as a good news to you. It is. It is. Well, listen, it is. It is. All really good news, pretty good news. So at least, yeah, so that next person, maybe the best idea, also the best idea. Can say believe in a jar, but I pushed it. I did. Of course, I did. Okay. All right. Daddy, you actually had about so I brand a friend Pope Skinny, and so I can send the bra for Obama home. Say no or practicing lesbianism maybe. Namsona ebia ko hwe ne nkwa. Me so wakasa wo ho de but ma me so menje wadwen che kakra. I disagree with that young man and his assertions. Oh, assertion is very unfortunate. I should use this because me no cry that me tin cry that until say we near until the relevance no was none of my business. Okay. Until say okay say when I me tie so na me ya bebre man because me say okay say na awura no ye me nua ketwa like a sis. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. O sister ni na say wo can say me fa no we need solid evidence to back your claim. We don't peddle. We don't do that. Where was his claim? Where was that to say emphatically, categorically to the world? Say Nana Hemaya Bini was a lesbian, and she died because of that. How could you be too sure? What was his motivation, so to speak? I got carried away anyway, but I kept my cool because after all, Nana Hemaya, there you already knew about my defending all. So why did you take this long to speak on issues of a sort? Why could it could have been earlier than now? No, yes, you could have brought it up. No, bid knew about me. Dead men don't talk. So sad.
So where is she to defend herself and say, hey, you are a big liar or something? Into what kind of rata say my reality, and our person say the D. Nyamianim is uncalled for. It's pretty unfortunate. And I wish he never did that. But maybe I'd actually be a moon gun harma or better because I saw to me because never been who I brought in. Member said,
Unimino.
Minimunida.
Okay.
Oh, but Obagana say, but Obagana Mudia Metibomudia. Remember that one my evidence been a man who say that Yena said, oh, she can back in the claim no with some solid evidence to indeed to back that claim. Because it's unfortunate any people who are new Biakeke, Nana, my own. I wouldn't say Unian, you Parasem. You were using so sweet words, so beautiful words we were using to describe your relationship with Her Royal Majesty. Okay.
I heard say Ubet also be taking on as in say Odenebe court over that claim no but how true is that?
Me pass be who branch at the moment. I said me name but be who branch the moment. Point be say oh my evidence matches yeah be you know I can't be as well, but as well, me pass me. So won't even say obi di keke because there be defamation. No, you don't do that.
See, Obetcha no kwambe so the
I find Mrak Council. Oh yes, Mrak Council. For that one, the Mrak Council. Okay. Say I'm not going to fight this young man. I'm an old person.
Say you will sit.
No.
One on one with
one on one. I will say, Mrak. Say me kwambe ti abi as for yante.
Yeah.
Baby ekum no ho na echichiri sana no nyasa baby echichiri nya wo dey sana.
Echichiri abo na wa.
Sana sana be. Say wa kama wi as for nyina no any avenue obetuma nya ma wi as for nyina wo say all that he said no were never the case.
Okay.
But Ebanimuno, he felt he should spill that, no, I spill her. No.
All right. Daddy, yeah, so. You say, Ebony, you record your go, you have those songs. Who will be your honor?
And you will be your honor. Married from various studios.
Okay.
And a bulletin so recently, or my be. I was saying, no, the only Nana Hima, tonight I said, me name na I want you because Nana Hima, Nene Yuma, and I bless the Nana Hima, na Fofi and Twatter. Into your so mammy copy. I also copy. A movie Nancyano, woman releasing. So where John 780 or 87 something.
Okay, a bonny name, Wendy Shea collaboration. All right. Okay. So you say you know or idea about it?
Well, of course, he has good enough done that without informing me. He did the needful.
Is there only bulletins in terms of saying?
Bullet here, me
I send be anywhere.
Me no.
Send the what I can, but I mean I send be anymore.
Me no. Obati asa obati anazo obati anazo bembe.
Okay.
Obati anazo obati anazo.
Yeah.
But me whatever it is. I can't deny that fact.
Okay. Daddy, my main bizarre question. I learned say, okay, I say I'm more employee on your label. No, I say I'm a deal seeker. Is that how it is?
Yes. Earlier, no man from baby a German were not sincere.
Okay.
Of course, yes, they were not sincere. You know, I'm here never be real. We are missing. Just we are they stole my money. Obit me for Jimmy signature copies car or bank in India. Obit me mobile money so no OBS car. Can you imagine? So they didn't help me in any case.
Why? Oh, the password number or one answer.
You see, the thing is, yes, this is one part of me. I've always been a father, a good one like that. It's a driver. I don't know it's a road manager. And I can't be driving once I speak on phone. Okay. Until it's a me idea. I trusted them. They showed. They were all criminals that I know. They pretended they were angels from heavens. And I believed in them. Indeed, I hardly believed, but this time I got carried away. And I so believed in them. I trusted them. Yeah, they were all criminals. Me no, Obia comfort. So sir, they have an agenda and they executed that and made it out. But they paid the price.
They've paid the price.
Yes. Well, say, mommy can't say me if I say you pay the price now. I'm one person. I don't know how to. Nana Hima was the best to describe me. I'm a wonderful person and a dangerous one as well. And see, maybe they will pay the price in diverse ways. And you mark my words, if they're not paying it yet, they will pay that.
Now, Udin Starboy Quartin, I mean, so what is Uncle for Frosa?
Son of Mubra, son of
the deal from me.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Ujitum.
We see, I never opted for.
Okay.
Wasn't a bit, no, I never ever thought of, I never anticipated that. But what I came to realize that will be a FM. Santino, they do by I wouldn't even fight the system. So I've left it ajar. My jam is a star boy is okay. Tell me a boy, young boy. And I start today, I did, you will understand, say, okay. So I welcome that.
Okay.
I mean, who said besides fighting?
All right.
If you can advise me as to how to go about it.
Oh, no.
I will appreciate it.
You advise me. But I'm still on the record label. I'm out for I say you don't have any idea when it comes to...
Obi hold it there. Obi can say, "Bia, catch the same say." Obi no who no free ye fumu ba no idea bia. A good manager is a person like me. Why would I say that? I've managed my business, my life, my everything. Now look at me.
Say some business.
We a good manager, you take it from people who claim to be experts.
Okay.
You take it from them and you blend it to be yours. That is what it is. A good manager does that. They pick it from other sources, other people. And I'm doing the same. You know, because I'm in that you follow me and here. And you know, money, forget about anything. What I'm presenting before the people, before the masses, is good music. And this time I'm poised, highly poised to do so. So that is the limelight. That is the bottom line. The bottom line is he producing good songs, good tracks, good music? Yes, he is. Leave the rest to time. As to how I manage it, it's none of anybody's business. As to how I manage it, it's none of anybody's business. It's between my artist and myself. All that matters to you, or should matter to you, is the music that you are listening to. If it makes sense, if it does, congratulate me and thank me for producing such beautiful music. Their songs and whatever. Yeah.
Okay, so if you hear Obisa or Kasa, I was saying, say,
or Kasa, me, assembly, I'm going to say, I'm say, good manager, no, then one manager, I want to break one also see this or say, or to whom they were failing, they were failing. And I'm say, okay, fine, me a good manager. I accept that. Why are we a good manager and what have you achieved?
Recently, there was some banter be one of entertainment pundit, a friend Kwesi Ernest, on Peace FM. I mean, or Kansen Bebre, and then Ninsam no kind or was an insult if you ask me. Now, Ninsam, he made a statement to be, I don't know, Tamana may respond to that statement. Now, my wife was telling me to let go anyway. But I'm saying because he did say, well, manages 27 or 20 something artists. And I wanted to ask him, say, out of 27, Ghana any more hitting. So did he achieve that result? Did he achieve that result? No, per se, or no, because a good manager. No, this artist never knew why, or would you be? But that means person mentioned by 3 of them. Almost more recognition in the music industry as we speak now. Because one manager, so what money people yes so your names then what makes you that good a manager? I would have wished, and it's good that you asking me, and so I answer the question here. What makes him that good a manager? As he was so talking, in fact, he insulted my intelligence. He did. Well, because he was making reference to Bullet. I was condemning Bullet, and that was far from that. How did he arrive at that? Why would he even say that in any case? Until what was his agenda? What was he on? I mean, I didn't get it. Meaning they don't program what is now all year. And he made the most capricious. No, I don't know. There's a word. Maybe that's when I go to the archives. I will be able to find that to use because I need a word to use. Can you treat me?
Because what we can't go for okay. What you say? Yes. because won't be can say me go man blah blah blah. Who manage nipa 27 no ehefo a omudi ne hefo omo impact any day. What are their impact? Who are those? How did they achieve? I mean, what did they achieve to call you a good manager? Every day. It would be a catcher. I mean, we won 27. Why are they?
Well, met me, I can say, Joyce Blessing. But there has some others.
Some others can would have cut it. Now, what people 27 Joyce Blessing one abody. So, we a good manager. Me were people back up. Kim was the only person on my level at that time. What I sent is all could trust you on Munasa. Yeah, besides analysis and answer who be a small canal dissect here. You should know how to put it. Won't you condemn the pan because I deserve better than that? Honestly, Dano, while my micro, Miss Minimum personally, I haven't met this man before. No, but I couldn't have natural flight to that. And the near child play Muda. Tuntuno, to be one first, I'm sorry, he gave the first a.
That's so great,
Ginao, yeah, or no, yeah. On the natural flight to that, and I saw him once, but yeah, Kazampo.
Okay.
So what I say, yes, Mama could be a minimum. And the other guy, you know, literate or something.
Literate.
Or no, so once upon a time, in this year, program, I don't know. That was my first time seeing this man. It's a minimum, what you need, Miss Anna, me failure. Don't speak that on television. And I say, on the social media, if you have an advice to render, you could do so without even sitting out there spewing anything just to down. No, you wouldn't do that to me. I'm more than that. Yes, you can't do that to me. And just let you, no, I'll respond accordingly. This is me. The Queen's dad, so to speak. Oh, yes. Yes. 1 minute 27.
Starboy party. All right. That is meaning yeah, the common by the overcare chapter will be now.
The American said the Ghana for you say so much support you all this while till date, no Ghana for still almost supporting an ahima, omujidi, omofana se omunia, omoba, omadam for omdibia, no airma into the Ghana for us. Now Ghana for may like you rightly point out. Me nanahima label no me ya nanahima dimo. I did it for her just to, as it were, protect her legacy, her style and everything to go this way. But and you know, like I've said, I've given my word, and anytime I give my word, I make sure I deliver on that. And the message Ghana for support record label also because we have goodies, so beautiful things to offer.
Yeah.
Good songs, nice vibes, and many other beautiful, what do you call it, souvenirs to also give up. And Ghana for them, do now, they still see Nanahima as Obia no year so special, and as I know important in their life, you know, should still support the cause because we have a lot to offer. Now, if you be the Ghana for us, Nebono, a bit more or more than Nahima, Nidin, never be a disikabi. And I said the royalties be a Emeka and say it's by my a moment now because a moment now no the need for what is expected of them. They should do that. And yes, sir, price on Michiano will be huge. And nobody blames anybody.
Okay. One homophobia, yes, I don't know.
Well, maybe what that idea, no. I still strongly believe that there is a thing of a sort in the system.
Okay.
Just I saw what is expected of them. Yet I don't know because she labored. Her Royal Majesty labored so hard. She worked so hard. She mustn't work in vain. You will agree with me.
Yeah.
She did her best. And I may be what it protecting, raising, sending everything in her name. And you know, maybe sika. Nasa na hima oka krebi na beso so mana ya dibia mana agini dina gina. Eni sa wo tira ba bi na nko fan so obi ehu. And you know, you are taking that advantage of her absence. Now what dia nema bi there are price go aye tua ne board ne. Trust me. Wo ya wo bia that time you don't blame anyone. This is it. It will be the last and first warning I'm giving out there. So be on Nana ye BB, the project, the intellectual property, or whatever. I will make money out of that. Nemo mo biseni bia no nimna in their own corner no. Biseni bia nim tisa me bia minim mabusuanim no. Nipa kro no. Just very careful because enye roses are.
That you whether I say na you wasia ebrepemu so no bibia ni a ebesamba na
kacha boaje say me say me nyomo no me okay maybe let's assume say like you rightly said onyanya me brain no 20th nyom bi and then nyom dada ni nyina say me say o mo mama what because baby e chechire no e ho ade na